See, we were going to take like this and rip these logs down and leave half logs, which is what we were going to do. But then it just would have been hours and hours of, you know, cutting and prepping and running it through the saws. So literally when I found this, I was sitting on the couch at like 10 o'clock at night, and it just pops up on my Facebook feed, and I'm just like, no way. And I'm like, where's this at? And they were in Pflugerville. So I was there the next morning.
Whatever, it fits in there.
You sure, Mike?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Adding faux rock in here would have been way too heavy for this trailer, especially with all this wood. The weight is a huge consideration, plus the distribution of the weight on the trailer. You know, these trailers only weigh like 2,000 pounds. So when you start adding in all this wood material, and you think about driving down the highway bouncing, everything's going to start falling apart. So weight's a major consideration. And so that's why instead of putting stone down on the lower half, we ended up finding like a wallpaper to give it that same look and effect. Because the wood was a must, but it's pretty heavy. So we probably added maybe 1,500 pounds to it. So our next consideration is before it goes out, we'll look at the axles and make sure that the weight's good before, you know, we leave. And if we have to beef it up or change the springs, we'll do that. And when this is up, this will make into a king bed. So think about that, a king size bed in a 14-foot trailer. Who doesn't want that?